In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a YouTube video to a Flodesk email. Adding a YouTube video to an email can be a useful way to share video content with your subscribers. Whether the video is related to your email topic or provides additional information, Flodesk makes it straightforward to place a YouTube video directly into your email design. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen and click on Emails. This will take you to the section where you can see the emails you currently have. From the list of emails, choose the email where you want to add the YouTube video. Once you select it, you'll be taken into the Email Design Editor. Inside the editor, scroll through your email until you find the area where you want the video to appear. For example, you might want to place it underneath a section of text. When you hover over the area, you'll see plus icons appear. Click the plus icon at the exact location where you want to insert the video. A menu will then appear with different content options. From this menu, select Video. After selecting Video, you'll see a video area appear in your email design. On the right side, you'll find a box where you can enter the YouTube link. Now, open YouTube and find the video you want to add. You can use a YouTube video that has the share option available. Once you've found the video, click Share and then copy the YouTube link provided. After copying the link, return to Flodesk and paste it into the video link box. Once you paste the link, Flodesk should automatically load a thumbnail for the video. You can adjust the appearance of the video thumbnail if needed. You can zoom in or zoom out to position the thumbnail the way you want it to appear in your email. One thing to keep in mind when using a video from someone else is that the link depends on the YouTube video remaining available. If the video is deleted, the link in your email may no longer work. Once everything looks the way you want, Flodesk will automatically save the changes. You should see an indication that your email has been saved. So, to recap, open Emails in Flodesk, choose your email, add a video block using the plus icon, copy the YouTube link through the Share option, and paste it into the video field. Adjust the thumbnail if needed, and Flodesk will save the video in your email design.